Imagine a narrow dorm hallway at midnight. Someone laughs, your heart speeds up. You turn, and there they are, close behind. Warm breath at your neck. The world reduced to two bodies and a wall. That little electric pause is the beginning of standing from behind. Quick, intimate, and full of possibility. Think of it as a small physics experiment. Two upright bodies locked together. Balance matters. Base matters. If you want to try it, start slow.
Stand close, feet shoulder width apart.
Keep your knees soft, not locked. The partner behind finds a steady hold around the hip, the waist, or gently under the rib. The front partner can brace against a wall or a counter. The wall is your best friend. It gives support, lets you both relax, and frees hands to explore safe touch or steady the back. Now, a little anatomy that turns curiosity into better sensation. Changing angle changes what gets stimulated. A slight tilt of the pelvis or a change in stance nudges contact upward or downward. For people with vulvas, subtle shifts can increase pressure on the front wall of the vagina. For people with penises, different angles change, where sensation is strongest along the shaft and base. Your pelvic floor, core, and glutes all shape the feeling. Engage them or relax them, and the whole experience changes. It's simple science. Angle plus rhythm plus feedback equals discovery. Communication is sex smart. A quick yes, a soft stop, a thumbs up, those tiny signals are the rules of the game. Before anything, name boundaries. Ask about comfort, pain, and desired pace. If balance is uncertain, agree on a signal to pause. A safe word is not theatrical. It's practical. Check in on. You'll find that the sexiest thing in the room is mutual care. Practical hacks for the curious? If your heights don't match, use a step or a low bench. Remove high heels or choose shoes with grip slips and springs are mood killers. Use a thin layer of lube if clothes come off. Friction is fine, but too much abrasion isn't. If condoms are part of your plan, have them within reach, keep a non-slip surface or towel nearby, and breathe. Short breaths, tighten them up. Slow breaths, open them. Play with rhythm and tiny variations. Short, shallow movements feel different than longer, slower ones. Pause, listen, and let it feedback back. A hand on the small of the back, a gentle squeeze of the hip, or a whispered cue can find the sweet spot faster than guesswork. Try different grips. Hands on hips allow more control. Arms wrapped around the front partner can feel more intimate. If spontaneity calls, the kitchen counter or the stair landing are fine. Just watch for hard edges. There's also a psychological map here. Facing away can feel vulnerable for the front partner and deeply trusting for the one behind. That trust can heighten arousal in surprising ways. Neurochemistry is working quietly. Touch releases oxytocin. Novelty sparks dopamine. Those brain chemicals turn a hallway into a memorable moment. Finally, respect and aftercare matter. Stand close after you stop. Check for bruises or discomfort. Share a laugh, wash up if needed, and talk about what you liked. Curiosity is the first step. Consent is the map, and safety is the seatbelt. If you want to explore, treat it like a small lab. Hypothesize, try a variation, observe the reaction, and adjust. Keep it consent, keep it safe, and let gentle experimentation turn a clicked midnight moment into a confident, satisfying piece of your sexual skills.